Kitchen Bakes. Hope you guys are all well. Today we are going to be learning how to pipe a rose on a cupcake. I generally use an open star tip or a closed star tip. Today I'm using a closed star because I just like that it gives a little bit more definition to the rose, but you can use an open star tip as well. And you can get that at any baking store, and you can even get them online. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is you're going to get your cupcake, and I am going to go into the middle. Now you must create a little bit of height on your cupcake when you're going, so I'm going to start in the middle and I'm going to create a little bit of height. And once I've done that, I'm going to go around and end it off. Again, you're going to create some height around and keep going till you've got the entire cupcake, and then when you want to end it off. And there's your pretty rose, guys. There we have our rose cupcakes. Now that we've done our simple roses, we are now going to kick things up a notch, and we are going to do two-tone roses. So I have here some leftover lilac icing, and I have in my other hand some cream icing. And then I have one piping bag with the nozzle in, and I'm going to enter both bags into the piping bag, making sure that there's enough space for both of them to go in there. So you might want to flatten it down a little bit. This is just one of the techniques of doing two-tone roses, and this is just the technique that works, I think, the best for me, because you get a nice even color out of them. Now that we've got our two colors, you're going to take a cupcake. You're going to do the same thing we did before. You're going to create some height, and you're going to go around until you've covered the entire cupcake. And there's your rose. Let's go again. You've got your cupcake. You're going to create some height. You're going to go around till you've covered the entire cupcake. And there we have some plain roses and some two-tone roses. If you wanted to add something a little bit extra, I have some sterling silver glitter, and I'll open it up. And just putting this on the petal just gives the petals a little bit more definition. And that is it for today, everybody, and that is how you make your perfect rose cupcakes in no time. You guys saw, and now I hope you can take these ideas to your own kitchens and bake away. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.